Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create this easy card. This card uses masking with masking tape and creating a background using multiple stamps. To make this card I use the bits and buttons set from Papertrey ink and the panda with dies from Mama Elephant. I'm also going to be using this product, which is post-it tape, for my masking. If you don't have post-it tape, you can use painter's tape, thermoweb tape, or post-it notes. I'm also going to be using some rhinestones, sequins in this design. Okay, let me clear this and get started. Alright, taking the smaller piece, I'm going to use my grid sheet, this is from Stampin' Up, just simple grid paper, and I'm going to mask off the areas that I don't want to be included in my background. I've used this before, so you can use this multiple times as long as you still have a little bit of adhesion to it. One side, and I'm going to mark off an inch and an inch and a half. That's how much this is. Okay. Now I'm going to first bring in my blender pins, my blender brushes, and I'm going to blend the black soot just lightly on the edges here. I don't want it to be too heavy. Let's find out where I'll put it. So you just need a little bit of this because it's very dark. And you won't be able to tell right away, but you have to take my word for it. It is on the paper. Just a little bit in on this side. And let's see if I can do this left-handed. No, I can't. Go back to this way, and a little bit on this side. I'm not using my new blending water media mat for blending because I don't want to get adhesive on it. I've only got this recently, and I'm not too sure how this will work with adhesive. So I just pulled out a piece of this grid paper. This will do just fine for what I'm doing here. Very quick. Okay, don't need to brush. Now, without moving the tape, I'm going to bring in my stamps and just go over and put in all the different colors of the rainbow one by one. And it's best to go over the edge of the paper so it looks like you have a continuous pattern design if you can. So over the edges here and over the end here. And that is the background that I've wanted. I'm happy with it. I have a good mix of colors here and there. So now it's just a matter of pulling back the tape. And there. And you see the black makes it very clear where the pattern starts. Okay, the rest of the card is just putting everything together with the basic card design techniques that you've seen me do many times. So I'm just going to put everything together. And that is the finished card. I decided to put 2 little pandas on the card instead of the one because this guy just looked a little bit lonely. And it went together very quickly, and I wanted to mention this tool that I use. It's called a jewel picker, and it's very good for picking up little small items like this, sequins and rhinestones. It has a double end, which is one is small and one is larger, and it's a little sticky bit of waxy like substance, and they just pick up the thing that you're trying to pick up really easily. I got this from Amazon. I think it was $8. And also I'd like to mention the Gina K Connect glue, which I use. This is a very easy to use glue pen, and the glue just flows out really easily, and it's a lot simpler to use than the larger Tombow glue, but it's basically the same sort of glue. I'd also like to apologize. I didn't realize that my microphone had fallen off during the earlier part of my videoing. So if you couldn't hear me, I'm very sorry. I fixed it before I finished. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'd like to thank my brother David for the music, and I hope that you're enjoying it. Take care everyone, and have a great day.